Hi, my name is Barbara D. I work out here in Junction City for Guarantee RV. And today what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you a Northland product. This is a 24-foot bunkhouse with a nice slide. These units are really quality. They hold up. They have some nice components on them. And so without further ado, let me tell you a little bit more about what's on this trailer. Let's start right here. So this unit is solar ready. Right now what we do is instead of putting solar panels on the top of the roof, they come out in a briefcase affair so you can set them on the picnic table or something like that. Also comes the dual tanks. This is an electric tongue jack, so what that does is it helps you come on and off the ball at just the touch of a finger, and it also offers you a light because you're usually loading in the morning or in the evening. You're going to camp or you're coming home. I like the idea that they've got this rock guard here as well. That keeps things from getting chipped up. And what this is called right up here is a gel coat cap. So what we've done here is we have given it some aerodynamics for an easier tow, and we've moved this seam over to the side. So that's going to really pan out for you as the years go by and you get good use out of this nice trailer. Also, we have this is a magnetic hinge. So when you open this up, it's called a slam latch. It stays up on magnets. It's got a great pass through in here. It's completely lit up. It's wide enough so you can get your chair in here or a small table. Also, this comes equipped with electric levelers. So right in these little compartments here, at the touch of a button, the leveling jacks come down and stabilize the travel trailer without having to crank anything down. We have what's called a friction hinge door. So when the wind catches it, it doesn't come back and give you a good whopper. These fantastic steps is called a step above. They're super stable. And also, look here, a grab handle. You're usually carrying something in or out of the trailer every time. So I like to start back here a little bit. I kind of want to start at the rear of this particular travel trailer because it's called a rear bath. It's got a bunkhouse back here, but it's got a fantastic bathroom. Take a look at that. So you've got a porcelain toilet there, a very large, comfortable sized shower and tub, a nice basin, and a window. Very often you don't get a window, so look at this, you got a window in here. It's nice to have a window that you can open. It's pretty handy. Now remember, we're just in a small trailer, so this will fit in any state park, county park, anywhere you want to go, it'll fit right in there. Double bunks. Both the bunks have lights and power stations. Both of them have a window for some cross ventilation. You have a large refrigerator here, a nice range top and oven, a microwave, solid surface countertops, a large stainless steel sink with a pull down Spradius, which is just handy for keeping everything nice and tidy. This little dinette is handy as well. So this can make down into a bed. You just set this table down on these shelves and now you've got an extra bed here. So in reality, this unit could sleep 2, 4, 6, 8 people, as long as they're small people. Got these cabinets up above and nice lighting. And this also comes with an onboard vacuum cleaner. So right here, the trailer comes with its own vacuum cleaner. I thought that was pretty cool. Very rarely does that come along. You usually see that in a motorhome. And then we've got this lovely bedroom. So I'm just going to come back here and show you how this is set up. It's a nice long bed. You've got a shelf here so you can put your glasses of pills, a glass of water. Outlets on each side for charging your media. Storage under the bed here. Quite a bit of it. There's your vacuum cleaner pieces. And if I do this, if I close this door on each side, I'm going to do it like this. Voila! You've got the TV in the bedroom. And a lot of times when I'm doing this, I just say order up. So you can have the TV in the living room or you can have it in the bedroom, either way. It's nice to be able to lay down and catch the morning news or take a quick snooze. So I just want to remind you, this is a 24-foot BHS. It's a super nice ultralight. It's called a North Trail and it's made by Heartland. So Heartland is known for quality components. Of course, you see the nice light fixtures, the flip around television, the onboard vacuum cleaner, the solid surface countertops. It's just a super nice rig, and you guys, you can take this anywhere. You can take this to the national parks, to county parks, state parks, anywhere you want to go, you're going to fit. So give me a call. My name is Barb, Barbara D at Guarantee. My number is 541-521-4232. Come on out and say hi. Thank you.